Let's see what to do a video today on. Glock, 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 Glock. Oh, the hell with it. Here's what I really want to talk about today. Smith & Wesson Model 637 Airweight 38 Special Plus P revolver. 5-shot revolver, J-frame. What's significant about this revolver is that it weighs a mere 15 ounces. And the way Smith & Wesson was able to do that is, I don't know if you can see it. The frame is aluminum alloy, the cylinder, the barrel, I don't know if this will pick up on camera, and the crane are stainless steel. Now, just to give you an idea of the diminutive size of this revolver, okay, when placed in an inside the pocket holster, okay, is not that much bigger than a wallet. Now let's flip this around. Okay, thickness. The only thing that may print a little bit, the grips, but they are small enough to where it should be easy enough to cover up, especially in loose clothing. Now, my only apprehension is that the 1 7/8 inch barrel, I normally can't hit the broadside of the barn with anything less than a 3-inch barrel. That's just how I am. But hopefully, with practice, I'll become more proficient with it. Alright, YouTube. As always, stay safe, support the Second Amendment.